Things are looking mighty fine at the moment, apart from some duck turd, little rascals. But today we're just doing a maintenance day, clean the duck poop off, some mowing. Still mowing at that I think it's 2.85 mil, it's around there somewhere. So we're gonna do that. Probably get some liquid Fert out today because we're due for it. Give it a roll, and I've also got my brother, so Talor, who works for me, but he's got his birthday, his 30th, here, so that's what I'm getting this prepped for. And I may even film some shots of us shooting in and see if we can get a hole in one. So let's get into it. Oh, where are the keys gone? It looks so much better after a cut. I haven't cut that ryegrass in a month, so it looks so much tidier. Nice to see some stripes there too. Now I'm gonna clean the duck crap off, then give the green a mow at that 2.85 mil, and then some Fert. I'm probably gonna film rolling tomorrow because I want it to be nice and quick when we play tomorrow. We'll put the pin in tomorrow too. This video will be shot over 2 days. Give it a cut in the morning, make it nice and quick and playable for tomorrow, which will be fun. But let's clean this crap off now, which it's not as bad as it has been. This week it's a little bit less. It's mostly along the edges here. The ducks have slowed down a bit, which is kind of funny. The whole green was covered last Saturday, absolutely covered. That was after 2 days. It's been 3 or 4 days since I last cleaned this. It's only really, to tell you what, we probably don't need to pick it up. We'll let the mower run over it and pick it up like that, because there's seriously not much at all, like a couple of strips there and here. But the ryegrass looks good. All that new seed, you can still see it's kind of light, but it's nice and thick now and looking schmick. Just need to get these edges looking like that along here where we've scalped in a little bit. They'll adjust over the whole of winter, but they're getting there. Need to also do some top dressing soon. But yeah, it's mostly these spots here that I want to look nice and repair a little bit. So we may even put some pigment out today just to cover up some of that nasty stuff. So I'm gonna give the green a double cut today at that 2.85 mil. Now the reason for that is because it's still getting adjusted to that height of cut. And so we wanna keep doing opposite direction cuts so that we give the lawn just a nice clean cut, because there's gonna be parts that are a little bit more hairy. First cut would have rolled the grass over one direction, so that's why we like to go a separate direction, just to really get that nice tidy cut so you don't get those just uneven looking patches across the area. It will take probably a good month for the green to really adjust to this height of cut change that we've done, because we went from that 5.5 mil, which I didn't realize was that high, down to this 2.85 mil, which is lower than I expected, but we just went for it, man. So we'll do the double cut today. I should have really been doing cuts all week this week to help it adjust, but it just didn't happen. But it's still growing nicely, so it's fine. We're gonna be fine. Started doing the straight up and down, and it's actually starting to like wash a little bit. Like when I say wash, like shift back and forth, because I've mowed up and down a few times recently, which you shouldn't do. The grain's actually a little bit funky going straight up and down. So I'm actually gonna change direction. I might just go on a 45 across the whole area and just get rid of that, because yeah, I can't even keep the mower straight while I'm going up and down at the moment, just because it's got so used to mowing in that direction. Just because it's the easiest and the quickest one to do, and I tend to do that if I want to do a quick single cut. But time to stop that, because it's making it really hard to cut. All right, let's change it up, because seriously, like I was like a banana. Like that was bad. No! Oh. Classic, mower's gone flat. I haven't charged it in so long. Okay, well, we'll finish mowing tomorrow. We'll give a double cut in the morning, plus finish off that cut. Put some fertilizer out now. Right, so today putting out my pure lawn tips mix, pure balance, pure iron, pure seaweed for the roots, for a deep green up, and then overall nutrients with a bit of green up and a bit of soil health too. So I mix this all together, and I said we're going to put some pigment in there, so some pure colour. We're going to use 2 bottles of it today. I want to give it a really big kick, so we're going about 35 to 40 mil per 100 square metres, a little bit higher up in the range, not top rate at the 50 mil, which you can technically go even higher if you want. But I just want to give this a nice boost so it looks nice when we're playing golf on it tomorrow. So mix these all together. I'm going to use these at the low rate, which I use regularly, 200 mil per 100 square metres of these 3. And this should just keep this green ticking along nice and healthy, help with the frost burn that we're getting, and just keep it looking nice until we hit that springtime. Especially because I've got a sand green. I try and keep nutrients on it every 2 to 3 to 4 weeks. I just adjust them depending on how it's looking this time of year, but I stick to the lower end of the rate with not too much nitrogen because it doesn't need it. So it's been a few days, well actually it's been a week since I put that fertiliser out. We did the day on the green, we changed the pin, we rolled this area. Josh got excited, my twin brother, and he quadruple rolled the thing, which is ridiculous. But mate, the colour of this thing, even a day after the liquid iron kicked in from the old pure Lawn Tips mix, the colour in this green is insane at the moment. Like even a week later, like it is super, super dark green, hairy too, like it needs a good cut. Like for winter, to have this growing and look overgrown, like 6 days after we had snow up on the mountain, and everything was, it's been freezing, a freezing week, and we've got so much growth. So nice to have the ferts really doing their thing. I wish the sun was out now so you could really see how it looks, but it looks insane. But we had such a good day. We had a big bonfire in the paddock, and burnt that tree stump that was down behind the dam that I got out ages and ages ago, and just had fun putting, hit some shots in. No one got anywhere near a hole in one, hardly even hit the green. But it's good to see this thing powering along even in winter time. Really, really nice. Just had heaps of good feedback from you guys about all the new products, which I really, really do appreciate. It's nice to see them working really well for all of you. I'm excited for this season coming up and just keep using on the green. This is the best colour I've seen in this green over winter, and I'm not just saying that because, you know, I've got a new product range, but the iron and the manganese in the pure iron, man, it's having a good kick. The manganese really is helping too, because there's a little bit of a deficiency in manganese in the green itself, so mate, it looks good. But had a good weekend, so much fun. Talor's 30, getting old, makes me feel older because I'm 34, but we had a great time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate yous, and I'll see yous in the next one.